Okay, boys and girls, I want to show you how to put your story problem on here. So I can click the plus sign. Now, hi. You're going to do the whiteboard here. Okay, I'm going to do it all white. Then I'm going to use the text tool. You can do whatever color you want. I'm going to start typing. Oops, if you click off of it, it goes away. Miss Cat has 9 gummy worms. Now notice how it starts going off the page. I'm going to click off and then click on it again because now it has the things I can move it. I'm going to move it up. Now if I keep typing, it will go off the page, so I have to enter down for a new line every time. It's not like a regular thing. Miss Cat has 9 gummy worms. Oh, not 9. I want 27 gummy worms. Oh, I want to make sure we can see it. Okay. 27 gummy worms. She wants to share them equally with, see how it goes bye-bye? Okay, I can't go that far then. When I get to its full, I have to enter down. Share them equally with 3 teachers. How many, I'll enter down, gummy worms will each, I'll go down, teacher get. Okay, I finish. If you want to move it around, if you want to change the size, anything, I can make it bigger or smaller like that, just so everyone can see it. And I'm going to record. And then I'm going to read it at the same time. Miss Cat has 27 gummy worms. She wants to share them equally with 3 teachers. How many gummy worms will each teacher get? By Miss Courtney. Miss Cat has 27 gummy worms. I forgot to tell you to put your name on there too, but I forgot to put it, so I just said my name instead. Okay, but you could add it by Miss Courtney. Next, I need to take my selfie. You can add a sticker if you want. I'm just going to go on. Almost done, being patient. Okay, I don't change my name. Complete. All right, so there it is. I actually did one before that you'll also see. Now what if I wanted to respond to it? To respond, I'm going to go watch a friend's video of their story problem. So we'll click on this. It's the same actually. Miss Cat had 27 gummy worms. She wanted to share them equally with 3 teachers. How many gummy worms will each teacher get? By Miss Courtney. Okay, and I want to reply to her with my work. So I already did the work. You see it here in the video? You also need to do your work before you respond. So now I'm going to show my work and explain what I think is the answer. So I drew the 3 people because I know that there's 27 worms and there's 3 teachers, but I don't know how many each gets. This is a sharing problem. I wrote my equation, 27 divided by 3 equals G for gummy worms, and I shared them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till I gave everybody all of them to 27, and I counted and each person got 9. So 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Each teacher gets 9 gummy worms. And I finish. Okay, so I take my picture again. And I let it finish and submit, and I'm done. And that's what you're going to do today. You're going to put the text of your story problem, and then you're going to respond to at least 2, maybe 3 or 4 different people's story problems by showing your work on the board and explaining it. Let's go.